Brainy Bunch TV, where you discover, learn and grow.
Mama octopus, where are you? Here I am with my fry too. Papa dolphin, where are you? Here I am with my calf too. Mama turtle, where are you? Here I am with my hatchling too. Papa seahorse, where are you? Here I am with my fry too. Mama whale, where are you? Here I am with my calf too. Papa shark, where are you? Here I am with my pup too. Mama crab, where are you? Here I am with my zoid too. Papa lobster, where are you? Here I am with my cricket too. Mama penguin, where are you? Here I am with my chick too. Papa walrus, where are you? Here I am with my calf too. All sea animals in the ocean blue, playing and enjoying just like you.
Thanks. Brainy Bunch TV, where you discover, learn and grow.
The seahorse has one tail, Chef Lobster has two claws to hail, and an amazing octopus has three hearts to prevail. A slow turtle has four flippers to sail. A twinkling starfish has five arms so bright. A jellyfish has six tentacles to dance with delight. A prickly sea urchin has seven spines so fine. A squid has eight arms to swim and shine. A colorful clownfish has nine stripes of orange and white. A sideways crab has 10 legs to scuttle with gentle might. Let's count 1 till 10 with amazing underwater friends.
Brainy Bunch TV, where you discover, learn and grow.
In the deep blue sea, where fish swim free, a playful dolphin play with glee. The seahorse dances in the coral reef, while the starfish rests, quiet and brief. A curious octopus hides in the sand, and the jellyfish floats, graceful and grand. The turtle glides slowly, a wise old friend, and the clownfish darts, a bright tiny blend. The otter splashes in the cool, clear water. The shark swims swiftly, a sleek, strong spotter. The whale sings songs in the ocean's vast, while the crab scuttles quickly, moving fast. In the ocean's embrace, so big and wide, sea animals live with joy and pride. In the ocean's embrace, so big and wide, sea animals live with joy and pride.
Brainy Bunch TV, where you discover, learn and grow.
In our city, bright and fun, we clean up when the day is done. Toys in baskets, papers away, kids tidy classrooms every day. Clean city helpers, hip hip hooray! Down in the ocean, deep and blue, sea friends clean their home up too. Dolphins sweep with swishy tails, crabs pick up shells and shiny trails. A tidy sea makes happy whales. Out in the desert, hot and bright, animals clean with all their might. Camels move litter with gentle grace, lizards tidy every place. Clean desert dunes put smiles on each face. Deep in the forest, cool and green, all the animals keep it clean. Fox picks leaves from the forest floor, bear cub gathers a little more. Clean forest friends
Bunch TV, where you discover, learn and grow.
Numbers, it's so much fun. Start at the top and down we run. That's how we write the number one. Curve around and loop to the go. That's a perfect number two for you. Curve around 2 times with a grin. It makes number 3, let's write again. Down and across, then straight down once more. Look, you've written the number 4. A short neck, a round belly, then a straight line too. That's how we write the number 5, it's true. Oh yes, let's write some more. Make a loop, then curl up quick to the floor. And there you have the number 6, you see. You're writing numbers like a pro, just wait and see. Slide to the right, then take it down. That's how we write the number 7 in this town. Make it S and loop it up with flair. Now you've written number 8, show you care. A circle and a line going down so fine. That's how you write the number 9 every time. Make a line and add an oval too, and you've made the mighty number 10, it's true. Numbers are so much fun to write. Oh yes, you're doing great tonight.
Thanks for singing with Brainy Bunch TV. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Brainy Bunch TV, where you discover, learn and grow.
Busy bees buzzing in a hive, 9 graceful butterflies flutter in a line, 8 happy frogs jumping in the pond, 7 ducks swimming in a playful pond. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1. 6 giraffes stretching their necks up high, 5 cats with whiskers chasing a butterfly, 4 friendly elephants trumpeting loud, the clever octopuses swirling in a crowd. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1. 2 hopping rabbits, fluffy and quick, 1 reindeer with antlers looking so slick. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1.
Thanks for singing with Brainy Bunch TV. Don't forget to like and subscribe.